As you see, the shape format tab is now opened and added. We have shape styles. We have presets for our shape style. We can set different parts of it ourselves, so we can change the shape fill, as you see, the shape outlines and the settings to them, the shape effects that it provides us with. We also have word art styles, which is about the times that we type inside our shape. So how we do that, how we add texts inside our shapes, inside Microsoft Excel, is that we right click on the shape and click edit text. And as you see, we will be able to add texts over here, the Takeoff College. And afterwards, this text is controllable through this word art styles. We can choose between these presets or set the fill, the outline and the effects of it ourselves. As you see, we also have rotation options here, and that's basically all that we have. And as you see, shapes are flexible inside Microsoft Excel and movable and placeable anywhere that we want them to be. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.